The Ferrari 458. This Italian beauty has nearly everything. Jaw-dropping performance, heart-stopping beauty, and unparalleled craftsmanship. Its 4.5-liter V8 motor is capable of producing 562 horsepower with 398 pound-feet of torque, which is enough to send this rocket ship to 60 miles an hour in about 3.4 seconds with a top speed of 199 miles per hour. The major complaint with the audio system in the 458 was the fact that the bass response was real thin, volume was next to awful, and it just didn't really jive with what a Ferrari should have, so we wanted to tackle that. We wanted to have minimal impact on the aesthetics of the vehicle. So when we selected the Focal ES165KX2 component speakers to be that upgraded speaker package, it was imperative that we reuse the factory speaker locations for just a clean OEM look. We took the crossovers that came with the Focal speakers and ended up putting them behind the driver's side seat. Not only did we think that it looked cool, it gave us the capability of being able to go in and make minute adjustments on those crossovers without peeling half of the car back. We knew that the Focals, for as good as they are, they wouldn't be able to quite deliver the bass response that we wanted in that vehicle, so we ended up leaning on an 8-inch JL Audio subwoofer. The customer provided a custom-built enclosure for the 458, which is wrapped in the same leather and stitched with the same red stitching that Ferrari used, which gave us a factory look. That subwoofer enclosure nestled between the two seats. The subwoofer went right in, steel mesh grille went right over it so it didn't get an elbow and damage the speaker. It provided enough bass response to blend with the existing Focal speakers that we had just installed and really added depth and dimension to the music where it was really sorely lacking before. For amplification, we turned to JL Audio's VXI line, the VX400/4i to be specific. It's their 4-channel amplifier. We knew that the front channels would power the front speakers from Focal, and the rear channels would be bridged to drive the 8-inch subwoofer that we just put in. We chose this amplifier for a variety of reasons. It's arguably one of the best sounding Class D amplifiers that JL Audio has made to date. In my humble opinion, it's one of the best sounding of the ones that I've heard. It also has a compact chassis small enough to drive the system thoroughly, but also to hide away. We ended up taking this amplifier, putting it on the firewall behind the passenger side seat, which made for a really neat appearance, and it also allows us to get in there and do a quick retune in case we ever have to do that. And this Ferrari 458 finally has an audio package that matches the vehicle's performance. Thanks for letting me share this awesome Ferrari 458 project with you today. If you live in the Philadelphia area, you are more than welcome to swing by our Montgomeryville location. That's where you'll meet us. We can sit down and have a consultation about what we can do to improve your in-car experience. You can also build your own system with our car fit finder at worldwidestereo.com. Just go to our car marine section, select the car fit finder, or access it on any of our car and marine audio product detail pages. We offer a 60-day return policy, free shipping, and are authorized dealers for everything we sell. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, or give us a shout, shoot us an email, whatever works. This is Chris with Worldwide Stereo. See you next time.